Hello, Westinghouse sent me a new wheel kit for my Westinghouse 3600V generator. Um, they sent it to me at no charge because of all of the mistakes from the previous shipments. So I'm gonna open it up this package. It arrived today, and I'm gonna see what's inside, see the contents. There's a packing list. I haven't seen a packing list on any of the shipments before. But let's see what the condition is on the package. Seems to be just slightly dented from impacts, but it's usually normal shipping conditions. Let me see what the shipping packing list has written on it before I open it up. It says Westinghouse, W-Gen 3600V wheel kit assembly, 1 each, 6 pounds, part number 601500011, and that's what's supposed to be on the inside. I don't know exactly what that entirely means, but I'm gonna open up the box and see. It's a nicer setup from the previous packages. So this is the U-shaped handle. Two wheels. Rotate freely. A little grease on there. One wheel. This is actually a shoulder bolt for the handle. It's also called a wheel bolt. So this is the padding for the handle. This is one of the feet. This is the other feet. Well, these 2 feet. The frames for the feet. One more shoulder wheel bolt. So that makes the 2 that I need for the handle. 2 wheel or axle rods. Two cotter pins for the axle rods. 2 plugs for the ends of the handles that protect the interior of the handle from collecting water or debris, because the openings of the handle are facing up when it's on the generator. 2 washers for the axle bolts. And I have 4 bolts that go with the feet assembly, and 2 mounting, I said bolts, I mean, yeah, 4 bolts, and 2 bolts and 2 nuts that go with the feet that secure the feet onto the frame. So the feet and the wheels can be installed on the generator, as well as the handle. And I was given 2 wrenches of various sizes for the various size nuts and bolts. So it seems like I have a complete kit. So thank you, Westinghouse, for sending me a complete wheel kit for my Westinghouse 3600V generator, free of charge. I appreciate these. They will come in handy in the long run when I need to switch out all of the parts from my other assembly. Thank you.